Morning, everybody. Welcome to the Extra Move Average, but extra's never average, so extra can't move average, so extra's just extra. We are back with another video, bro. Here we are, Friday morning, last day of the week. Finna get ready to trade, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we're up and what we're looking at. Here we are. We already took the time to make our charts and everything like that. So, from my thought, I'm pretty sure we're gonna be going down today. But for confirmation, we gotta wait for Qs to close below this trend line, but we are basically right there. I'm pretty certain. And then if you look on the 4-hour chart, we have a lot of, well, not even a lot. We have this fair value gap over here to come. And if you see over here to the right, we have this fair value gap to come fill over here to the right. So I'm pretty sure this is how things are pan out. Have a reset right now, so we get to try this from the start. We are. Let's get it. Let's go. All right. Okay. Headed down so far. That honestly could have been the entry off this second candle from this rejection. Both of them had some strong price action and strong pushback, so I can understand that. Okay, it was right of me to even put a zone here. Even though we're at all-time highs, the zone still kind of counts. Two candles down. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the high for the 5-minute. I just not think this might be the 5-minute low, just because we're going to have one more candle before the 5-minute candle closes. So I'm going to go ahead and set this here. Alright, so I can go ahead and put this down here, 5-minute low for the SPY. I usually pass these combines on like 2 to 3 days, usually 2 over 3 to be honest, but since we have some time, I'm not gonna rush it as much as I would before. So usually we probably aim for a 1,500 profit target, but we're just gonna aim for 1,000 a day. Today's Friday anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And then come Monday, Tuesday, can finish it off. Because even if I do pass the accounts, I honestly don't even have the money to pay for the activation fee, so this shit, we're out of luck anyway. So might as well go ahead and take our time a little bit more than we usually would. So best course of action anyway. Can't go wrong taking our time. I might, if we get down here, I might be able to take this trade with size. I want to retest of the pre-market low that I have here on this pink line. Here to the right, well, at least down here. If we get a retest of this, I want to take this with size, but we also have previous day high and the 5-minute low all right here next to each other. So it's just, I know this area over here to here is kind of consolidating. We're kind of in a sideways channel. So if we go down and kind of into this area, I don't want it to be sideways before we're able to break the support and continue. So I'm just kind of worried about that. You see both charts are kind of breaking support at the current moment. Only thing is, oh, here we go. ADD is finally matching up. At first it wasn't matching up, but now we are. So when ADD matches up with everything else, we kind of can get these moves that we wouldn't expect to have or wouldn't be as strong before. But if they all matches up, then we can get most likely break through most supports and resistances. So just goes to show that we actually have momentum on our side. So that's nice. So it's just whether or not we get a retest of the 5-minute high, well, 5-minute low, previous day high, or pre-market low that we have right here on Qs, or the 5-minute low, or the previous day high on SPY. And this is a good sign right here. Honestly, great. Well, at least SPY was kind of holding for a little bit, but ADD is still printing down, so I believe we can. The support probably can still hold. So we just gotta see. But like I said, it did enter this area of consolidation. So then this support in this area has been holding it up a lot before. So who knows? It might still keep it up, but I don't know. It'd be hard for me to say. I don't think it would. I honestly think we still held down. Like this candle has to come down and fill this liquidity right here, in my opinion. But well, I think we can do it. Let's see, we got about 3-4 minutes before the 15-minute candle closes. It might actually hold the support, well, or this trend line. Holding this trend line would be crazy. Also, if you guys haven't already, go ahead, click the subscribe button, the like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and join our community Discord down low in the description right now. We're always welcoming new people. We only have like 4 right now, but I really want to build and pretty much build an empire, bro. Of all traders, everybody welcome, and let's just have some fun. Let's just all learn together and grow together, bro, because we all can be, we all will be, and let's get to it. I love talking to other traders because other traders are, they understand the pain that you go through as a trader, all the ups and downs, all the high feelings and low feelings, bro. It's a feeling that of reassurance, bro, because trading is a lonely space. It's honestly a lonely space. It's hard to really get anybody to understand, the things that you go through as a trader. So, yeah, definitely having somebody to talk to would be great. So this is why community is up right now. So if anybody isn't already in here, go ahead and get up in here, man. Always welcoming new people. See, we're holding over here. To be honest, this would be a good entry for puts, in my opinion, but I'm not gonna just rush that. I think it would be, just off the fact of how much this resistance is holding, and we've hit and then we hit this area last time. We also went down, so we shall see. And look at here, we are heading down already, man. Candle got pushed up a little bit, but they're probably gonna come back down most likely. And then with this current 15-minute candle engulfing the last one, pretty good signs, man. Pretty good signs. Now that could be a retest of previous day. I don't know. That could be entry for upside. I would want an engulfing candle to confirm that though. Because we did stop above, both supports held pretty much. It's just ADD isn't printing blue. It's hard for me to trust it. But if we get an engulfing candle, then I would kind of be a little bit more confident to take that trade for the upside. But if we can't, I can't. Definitely would not be me. Oh. This was almost a retest. It was holding, and then on close, it did not. That's crazy. Oh, so we have Qs down here for anybody that can't really see it. This is also Qs. Just kind of, anytime I need to look at a 1 minute chart on both, it's kind of where I go to. No, you guys can't see top left. Don't worry about top left. There ain't really nothing up there. Have the hour chart over to the left, but pretty much over there to the left is our avatar right here. Well, you guys can't see that either. ADD still heading down. Okay. I think I want to take this for the downside. Go ahead and get in for that.
Order filled.
Let me take this trade. Let's go ahead and we're gonna make our main target low. And we're gonna target. I'll get up here. Oh, hold on, where's halfway? Halfway of that, so no closure below halfway, and then it can't impulse. Well, let's move our target here. But we'd have to expect a little bit bigger profit here. 2R. Alright, currently in for NQ sales. See how it goes. Honestly, might get stopped out pretty quickly. Let's give it just a tad more space because I know things like the wick up. Alright, if this trade doesn't work out, then we pretty much know that we're going to be bullish for today. Alright. So far, it isn't necessarily in my favor. ADD is still kind of putting down, so I believe that we can end up getting pushed back down. Only thing is, on SPY, this support was pretty strong, so it pushed us hella. It's kind of unfortunate. Right now, it looks like it has no signs to really head down, so that's crazy. Oh, just maybe, but we'll see. Might have did us a little bit of favor, you know, moving our stop just a tad bit more up. Let's see where we are. I'm gonna do another sell if it gets down to this level here. So where do we stop at? Oh, that's not good. Alright though. This push down is nice. Continue to the downside. It does look like we have that potential. ADD still printing downwards. Only thing I really don't like is the fact that the previous candle kind of stopped at pre-market high. But it was kind of strong. So the fact that it was a bit strong could help us continue downwards, but at the same time it still stopped there. So I'm always 50-50 on things like that. So we will kind of just see how it goes. You never really know. Oh, here we are back in the profit. Only for a short little bit though. Oh, not a good sign there. See, this is what I was saying. That candle was a little bit, the fact that it closed above there was not a good sign for me. Definitely did not like that. Doesn't look like this trade might work out at all.
Order filled.
Oh, wow. Very strong impulsive move. See where it takes us. Okay. Did that happen on SPY as well? It did. Strong moves, man. Strong moves. Now we need a closure below the support that we keep failing to get to. The fact that it also stopped right there pre-market low, definitely a good target to stop at. But it has momentum still. We're basically at the hour candle closure, so we have pretty much a good amount of time to continue. Where this wick at? It's also another area to Put another stop sale. We'll put that at take profit. Just see where it goes from there. I do have a setting for liquidating block, right? Yeah, I do. Yeah, it'll just take us out of that 1,000. We're almost at take profit, so that's great. We can kind of move stops to break even as well. So why make this a losing trade? Okay, we this resistance held for Qs. That's good. Nice to see. Okay. There we go. We got a little bit more movement, please. We're not too far from take profit. You know, that move was very fast before, but because look, that was just so much. It was like an impulse of sellers just coming down, bro. I'm like, I think we can do it, like, for sure. And then our USA is about crossed over. So definitely nice. We just need the confirmation to continue down. I like the lower highs that we're forming right now, so that's beautiful. We just need to break the support that we struggle with every single time, pretty much. Let's see. I'm struggling here. Okay. Yeah, we're having a hard time a little bit. I forgot this isn't break even anymore. You know, I think we can make it a 1500. We break the support. Let's change this. But we'll keep an eye out for 1,000 if it's looking. We're not too far off. We have about 3 minutes left, pretty much. And let's put a limit buy order around. Let me bring it down just a bit more.
Order filled.
There we go, we hit third ad. Beautiful. Can we hold though? That's the thing. I think that's a good spot actually. We have it. Let's see. Let's see. What's ADD doing? Still printing red. Buy. I don't want to add any more contracts, to be honest. You know, actually, we should have sold some of our contracts here, since it didn't close below. But we shall see. I don't need this to be so much of a risk, though. So, okay. Support still held for Qs. How we looking though? Still looking decent to continue. We have what, 1 minute to 10. The way these candles been, 10 o'clock might actually do something today. No, it just might. Let's see though. We're not too far off from 10, so yeah, man.
Order filled.
Ah, damn. Oof. Crazy one. See, I knew it was gonna do something. It was just you could never really expect. So first trade, unfortunately, that was kind of bad. Down 583. But it's all right. We pretty much have a second entry. I'm pretty sure we'll have one. With this candle. That candle was literally just going to grab shit. So let's
Order filled.
sell one. Okay, so back here to 2R. Do another stop sale here. So we had, I think, the original. Okay. So we're gonna give it one more shot. We'll see. This is a crazy candle though, man. Okay. Okay. Well, let's see how this one works. Already back in.
Order filled.
So 2. So 2. Then we can sell 1. And then we can buy back 5.
Order filled.
Let's see, as candle is moving. We are good, right? Yeah, candle's still moving down.
Order filled.
Not too far off now. Because we lost our first trade, I'm not gonna aim for 1500 as well. I'm just. Oh wait, actually no, it kind of has to be. Let's just thought about it. Let me just keep it where it is. Did we close below that area? We did. Okay, that's great. And it seems like this might be another strong support. You guys think so? Let's see. It's too large. Let's see. We're not too far from TP. Hopefully we can hit it just a bit more. Just give us a bit more of a push. Where we at? Not too far off. Okay, SPY's hitting previous day high. That makes a little bit of sense while we're going up to retest that. Oh wow. Come on now. Really? I'm gonna take it. Ah, that wasn't the take. That was not take profit. No, that wasn't take profit. Oh my God, I pressed the wrong button. You cannot be serious, bro. I cannot believe this shit. That was the wrong fucking button. That was the wrong fucking button. Yo, that's insane, bro.
Order filled.
that's some shit, bro. That's definitely some high class BS. All right, that that's insane, bro. That kind of hurt my heart. I'm not even gonna lie. All right. Since that trade wasn't a fail, we can get away with taking one more. That hurt my fucking soul, bro. That ass hurt my soul. Let's try.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go a little bit heavier because I believe in the downside movement. Alright. Oh, can I? Okay, whatever. That's just so sad, bro. And since we got in from start, oh, it's 2R. Shit. Fuck. Damn, bro. That's crazy, bro. That's like hella wild. Not that we miss the take profit button. I saw X, so I thought that was it, bro. Wow. That's crazy. I gave it just a little bit of space, just in case it's not exactly what we need, but I will be watching. But damn, bro, that's crazy. I can't believe that, bro. That shit's so wild to me. Wow. Who does that? Who does that, bro? That's crazy. Well, that was just all on seeing how this one goes now. That's crazy, though. Alright, good movement here. This shit's so crazy, bro. Alright. Make another lower high. Beautiful. Just need to close below, of course, the candle over here to the left. Make sure we close below it. Then I'll feel a lot more confident with the momentum we have to the downside. I know we do have momentum, but you never know when and how much it wants to pull back. So, yeah, so I'm saying this. Not going to rule out the fact that this definitely could just pull back. Or could be a pullback at that. So, we'll see. We'll definitely will see. And this is wrong. There we go. Alright. Spot hit their zone. I don't like that at all. Okay. Need that candle to close below. Damn. Alright. The support wherever we're on right now, it might be that zone that SPY is on, is pretty strong. Can't like it. Can't like that at all. Okay. Not too far off from TP, though. Oh, is it gonna take me out?
Order filled.
Boom, nice. All right, can't complain about that. Last trade did the job, bro. That's great, beautiful. You know, we'll kind of keep it pushing from there. So we're up 14.23. It's basically halfway. We could possibly still pass in 2 days. Not gonna be worried about it though. It's beautiful. Great. We'll continue on. But yeah, man. Fucking, that's how you do it, bro. Last trade had to put in a little bit more size. This is the eval. I'm not gonna really worry about evals too much because you can always get another one. So you're not risking your actual capital or capital that you could potentially get. So we just keep on we just keep on pushing, bro. I swear. Like, not really too worried about it. Okay. That bro, that one trade was insane. I mean, we walked out with a little bit more profit than we would have had, so I'm not gonna complain too much about it. But that's it. That was crazy. But anyway, gonna see if I'm making these videos a little bit more often. Posting them up. So this is the first video you guys see of me live trading in the mornings, July 18th, 2025. First video live trading. So hope you. Well, is this technically live? I guess not live, but you guys know what I mean. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. How do you guys think? What do you guys think of my trading? I honestly want to know what you guys have to say in the comment section because I know it's gonna be kind of crazy. Anyway, continue to do extra, be extra, get extra, stay extra, be extra, get extra, do extra, stay extra. So no, it's your boy Extra. Stay extra. I'm out.